I think 2 weeks ago it was now. I was going to try and catch it on video for you, but you can't even get your hand down this engine. Getting a camera in there, damn near impossible. But George came down and replaced the harmonic balancer. And so luckily all we had to do, he had to do, I say we, it was he, had to do was take the fan off and the fan shroud, and then he was able to get in there with the pump pulleys, and then was able to get the harmonic balancer, and it came out real easy. Came out real easy. In fact, as you can see, tell here in this video, the balancer was in pretty bad shape. It was all cracked up, and I'm glad we got rid of it. And it was kind of one of these things as, well, is this going to fix the problem that I have or not? It was a cheap fix having George do it. And by the way, I have to tell y'all, I think that most diesel mechanics who are working for a shop are gonna laugh at me if I try to bring it in for them to repair it, because they'll just be like, nah. Yeah, it didn't really help much. It did help, and it's drivable to a degree, which is, guess, is what I want some opinions on, if anybody's got any out there. George and I are both thinking it's time. We might even just take this engine on out, clean it all up, find out what's wrong with it, replace all those parts, and shove it back in. I don't think there's anything wrong with the engine, other than perhaps the timing chain stretched, the timing somehow got off. I mean, it starts beautifully in warmer weather like right now. I should be able to crank it over without any issue. Very little smoke coming out the back unless I let it sit for a week. Then I think there might be injection or a leak in one of the fuel jets, the injector, and it's not burning completely, and it's coming out the tailpipe. Like George said, you know, it's like the Civil War battlefield, totally gray smoke, blue-white, and yeah, it'll cover the entire yard. But that's in the winter. It hasn't happened to me since I've started it now. And I need to go turn the battery on, because I still have the phantom draw, which would be probably another reason to take this engine out and kind of maybe get a new wire harness even, and throw that. Glow plugs are on, and glow plug is off. Start up. I have my foot on the accelerator. Now my foot is off. No smoke. Let's take it for a little ride. It's in reverse right now. Now we're in drive. I have it in neutral, no gas. I got some jackass behind me. Oh, hurry up, hurry up. I'm in such a hurry. 15 miles an hour. I got no power. But I'm not going to take it out on the freeway yet. No gas. Steering, power steering, I don't know what that issue is. Still in drive. Not half bad. Neutral. Reverse. In fact, I gotta back up, I gotta get the car out. Now it's doing it again. Now it's quit. Now it's doing it again. We're gonna just no gas. It's in park. Foot off the brake. So, if you got any ideas, put them in the comments. Also, I might put this up on the Facebook group too, and see what those guys got to say, because there's a lot of brains in there that have been working on these things for a long time and are pretty familiar with what kind of problems they can have. So they're a great resource, and frankly, some of my followers seem to have the diesel too, and on the YouTube, and I thank you guys for all of your help up this far. So I hope you will like and subscribe if this helps you. If you think you can help me, it'd really be nice. So have a good day.